Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to my channel. My name is Kimber and today I'm going to be organizing my insane makeup collection. I do just want to add a little disclaimer before we get started and say that this video is in no way me bragging. I am simply just showing you guys my collection and organizing it because I recently moved to a new city and I'm needing to do it anyways. So there's nothing wrong with how much you have, how little you have. Everybody is entitled to their own opinion. This is just my collection and I wanted to show you guys. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so I just want to show you guys a closer look at how heavy this is. This entire tub is completely full. I'd say it probably weighs about 60 pounds. It's very heavy. I don't know how I'm going to do this before the sun goes down. I also got all of these tubs that I'm going to lay out so that way I can sort everything into them. So I think I'm going to start with pushing the palettes to the side. I'm going to work on this giant box. This is the part I've been most excited for. I cannot wait to dump this thing out. Sorry, the lighting is getting super weird. The sun is going down, so I'm using my ring light now. But I had to take the camera off the tripod just to kind of show you guys how massive this pile of makeup is. Okay, you guys, so I've brought you down to my level. I've got more baskets over here, so I'm going to just speed this up and start sorting. Hey guys, what's up? As you can tell, it is a different day. My camera kept dying that night and it also kept overheating, which is new to me, so I'm not sure what was going on. But I decided to just call it good on the sorting footage, and I figured I would show you guys what I ended up doing. Okay guys, so this is my skincare stuff. First of all, I have this basket full of masks. So all of my eye patches, sheet masks, lip masks, everything is going to be in here. A bunch of really cool ones I love, and then a bunch of new ones I haven't ever even tried before. Probably have like 30 sheet masks. So this is all of my other skincare stuff. I also have some tanning things in here as well. I have a lot of toners. So this is going to be fun to go through. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to organize it yet. I know I'll probably have like a drawer for like cleansers, drawer for like exfoliants. Honestly, I'm not sure how I'll do it, but there's lots of goodies in here. Okay, so moving on to my makeup now. I kind of just organized everything in some bins the best I could. My plan is to count what I need, and then I'm gonna go online and order a bunch of organizers so that way I can make everything fit in the places nicely. So just kind of going over the bins really fast. I have all of these blushes. These are highlights. Powders, loose powders, and like compact powders. These are all facial sprays. Most of them are setting sprays. This is all primer. This whole basket is lipstick, and then this basket down here is all foundation. Honestly, don't know why I have that many. Down here we have the eyeshadows. So I have a bunch of Stila ones. And then I also have like some glitter for like festivals. These are all mascaras. I honestly have more mascaras than I could ever use in a lifetime. Oh, and a chapstick in there. So these are all my bronzers, which is really interesting to me because I thought I had way more than this, but I guess I do not. So kind of motivates me to get more bronzers compared to my blush and highlight collection. This actually isn't all of my makeup because I am going to Seattle tomorrow, so I do have a lot of my stuff that I use on a daily basis packed away, but this is everything else. So like I've got all of my lip liners here. These are all eyeliners, brow products. I have beauty sponges, concealers in both of these. And then I have lashes right there, so. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. If you are excited to see part 2, then please leave a like down below. I really hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are. Just remember to be kind to everyone and always show love. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.